In front of me is HUAWEI Nova 12 SE, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency number on this device. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to Access Security section. Then scroll all the way down again and this time choose Emergency SOS. Now it's time to select Emergency Contacts and click on Add Emergency Contacts. Finally tap on the one that you wish to set up. Then decide if you wish to notify this contact that it's yours emergency one by tapping on OK or Cancel. Then do exactly the same with all the other contacts you need. If you wish to make some changes to your list, click on this icon at the top right corner. Change placement of your contacts, or remove the chosen ones by clicking on those X's on the right. Each time you need to confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!